Question number 1. Who presented the first Union Budget of Independent India? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Maulana Azad. C. C.D. Deshmukh. D. R.K. Shanmugham Chetty. Answer is option D. R.K. Shanmugham Chetty. Question number 2. The first Health Minister of Independent India was option A. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. D. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Answer is option D. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Question number 3. Which of the following authors won the Booker Prize twice? Option A. Margaret Atwood. B. J.M. Coetzee. C. G. Taham Swift. D. Ian McEwan. Answer is option B. J.M. Coetzee. Question number 4. Which amongst the following is not a member of the basic group? Option A. South Africa. B. India. C. Australia. D. Brazil. Answer is option C. Australia. Question number 5. How many times has India won an Olympic gold medal in hockey? Option A. 3. B. 5. C. 8. D. 10. Answer is option C. 8. Question number 6. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? Option A. USA. B. Fiji. C. India. D. UK. Answer is option B. Fiji. Question number 7. Who was the first recipient of the Jnanpith Award? Option A. G. Sankara Kurup. B. Mahadevi Verma. C. Amitav Ghosh. D. Krishn Sobti. Answer is option A. G. Sankara Kurup. Question number 8. How many times did Brazil win the FIFA Football World Cup? Option A. 5 times. B. 3 times. C. 4 times. D. 2 times. Answer is option A. 5 times. Question number 9. How many players are on each side of basketball game? Option A. 3. B. 5. C. 9. D. 11. Answer is option B. 5. Question number 10. The Bomdila Pass is located in which state? Option A. Nagaland. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer is option B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 11. Mughal silk is associated with which of the following states of India? Option A. Assam. B. Bihar. C. Nagaland. D. Maharashtra. Answer is option A. Assam. Question number 12. In which state Garo Khasi and Jaintia hills are located? Option A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Meghalaya. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer is option C. Meghalaya. Question number 13. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which of the following state? Option A. Mizoram. B. Tripura. C. Haryana. D. Nagaland. Answer is option D. Nagaland. Question number 14. Machilipatnam port is located in which state? Option A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer is option C. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 15. The famous Dilwara temple is located in which state of India? Option A. A. Kashmir. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Uttarakhand. Answer is option C. Rajasthan. Question number 16. Which is not an internet protocol? Option A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. STP. D. IP. Answer is option C. STP. Question number 17. Which of the following is equal to a gigabyte? Option A. 1024 bytes. B. 512 gigabytes. C. 1024 megabytes. D. 1024 bits. Answer is option C. 1024 megabytes. Question number 18. 1 byte is equal to option A. 8 bits. B. 12 bits. C. 16 bits. D. 32 bits. Answer is option A. 8 bits. Question number 19. A list of coded instructions used by a computer is called option A. Text. B. Flowchart. C. Program. D. Algorithm. Answer is option C. Program. Question number 20. Which of the following memory is non-volatile? Option A. ROM. B. RAM. C. PLA. D. Cache memory. Answer is option A. ROM.